We are Janik Enterprises, a very proud manufacturers of cold saw machines, semi-automatic and automatic type. In the last 13 years of our working, we have manufactured more than 3,000 such machines, which we have successfully installed them at various client locations in India and 6 different countries as well. Majority of these machines are the semi-automatic machines, smaller version 315 and medium version 350. One can relate the design of these machines with the Taiwan and Chinese ones. Over a period of time, one thing which is something that a lot of people using it has found, and we have also researched with our experiences. These machines having gearbox transmission system at a 90 degree, due to which it has to be using the warm gear set. The set includes one brass component. Different companies may use different brass quality. We use AB2, aluminum bronze material, which itself is a very tough material. However, irrespective of the best quality, while cutting, it generates a lot of thrust back to the gearbox. Due to this, when the gear system starts operating on one transmission being at 90 degree, the brass component starts to lose material from this area over a period of time. Due to this, there is a backlash that is created while working. The backlash will hamper the cutting. The cutting will not be smooth, but will have a banging effect. This will result into the deterioration of blade life and the cutting quality as well. This will deteriorate the machine performance, which will drastically affect the cycle time also. However, with automatic bigger machine types, it is a little different. It uses a parallel transmission system, in which the gearboxes uses the helical gear set that is completely hardened to 50 HRC. These are DIN 6 standard gearboxes, with internal grinding, and have very minimum power loss, with fantastic life. This material doesn't lose, because it's hardened. Due to this, we get a very smooth and steady cutting for a longer period of time, as there is no backlash. So, we have tried to solve this problem with semi-automatic as well with our experiences and technical knowledge. This is in our new model that we have created named J375. Although it looks the same as the other semi-automatic machines, the difference is that it has a heavy-duty gearbox. It uses a parallel transmission system with the standard motor from Siemens. Also, having a 6-port motor, it generates a far more torque than a 4-port motor. The ratio of the gearbox also is far bigger compared to any other medium-duty machines, and hence this machine will be a part of the heavy-duty machines category. The gears utilized here are again all helical gears, hardened and grind, which are strong enough to bear any load, without losing any material, like we have seen earlier. This results in 0 backlashes for a very longer period of time with very smooth cutting. These machines will be more responsible for a good quality cutting. We are going to demonstrate the cutting of this 100 mm 6 mm thickness pipe. It is a seamless high carbon steel pipe, which is very difficult to cut. We have seen the cutting, and the speed with which it is cut is not possible with any of the other particular semi-automatic machines that we have stated earlier, even whether it is a Chinese or Taiwanese one. Because of this smooth cutting, the cycle time is decreased, the blade life is optimized, and it gives us a good result. Hence, this machine design is worth enough, and we can term it as an investment for a decade.